Okay, this is a short tutorial about how to create chart using Microsoft Excel. Uh, this is particularly useful when you're doing the homework for capacitor charge and discharge, for plotting the responses or the voltage over time, right? So you're going to do a series of time. Say, for example, your x-axis may be time, on the other axis may be a voltage, okay? And time, you have to give it a time like for example on every increment of 0.001, for example. And then what you do is say you're going to plot 26 point, just like that, 25 point, and you just do create a series of time, which is fill, right, series. And then it says over here the column, the step value is 0.001. And then stop value, you don't tell it because you highlighted the cell, and tell it to do a linear kind. So we just say OK. So it'll create this time series right here. Okay. Of course the voltage is depending on your formula, right? You say V of t equal to V final plus V initial minus V final times e to the so forth. And then for every one of this t, you will have a new V, okay? So let me just, for this one, for illustration, I'll just put a random number in here, okay? By the way, in Excel, to enter a formula, you have to start with equal sign. Just press equal, and then you type your formula. Random number of this times whatever that value is, right? So I'm going to copy this formula into here. So now I have a bunch of data that's random looking things. So now I'm going to do a plot. To do a plot, you just highlight it, including the title right there, so that your axis has title. And then choose a type of plot you like, right? Hit insert right here, insert tab right here. Is the plot that has x and y axis specified just like this, all right? So you do insert, okay? And the other plot is called the scattered plot right here, XY scattered plot, and choose this one, okay? So you got the x-axis here, 0 to 0 point, and so forth, all the way to the point, we got 0.025 right here, okay? And then that's the y value. So that is a very short tutorial on how to create a graph with your capacitor charge and discharge homework, okay?